Let me show you how to enable or disable touch controls on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So when it comes to touch controls, from pretty much most earphones I have tested, these really probably have the worst touch controls, and at least for me they barely ever work, especially the volume control is very bad on these. So yeah, if you want to enable it or disable it, first if you have Samsung phone, you can simply go to your phone settings and they will appear here. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you have to download the Galaxy wearable app and pair them together then. And over here, so if you open it in the earbud controls, as you see, you can enable it or disable it here. So this completely disables them. Also, if you click on the text here, it kind of shows you what you can do with these touch controls. For example, the play pause, most of the time I would say it works probably okay. The next track sometimes doesn't work, but the volume controls barely ever work, at least for me, on these. So again, like very, very bad volume controls at least. And again, the touch controls at this price really, I mean, this is totally not acceptable in my opinion. So very, very bad when it comes to that. When it comes to sound quality, these are absolutely fantastic. So absolutely love the sound quality, but the touch controls really, I can easily disable them and I won't really miss them. Good luck.